We'll guide you through how to download and install the DawnCraft mod pack in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go and quit off Minecraft like so. And now what you need to do is go and open up a web browser. I'll just use Google Chrome, but you can use whatever you want. Then what you need to do is go and search for something called CurseForge. Now CurseForge is essentially a mod pack loader. It does other things as well, but it's a really useful tool. Before we get any further, a big shout out to our sponsor, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to Minecraft server hosting platform. If we scroll down, we can go and see some of their awesome features. For example, one-click install mod packs, which makes it super easy to play with your friends. So you can go and play DawnCraft with your friends super easily. DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, so you can go and get the help anytime you need it. And at the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. I'll go and put a link down below in the comments and in the description, and then come to curseforge.com. It's important to note though that for this to work, you do need to have Minecraft installed on your computer and you need to have an account and own it. So once you're on the CurseForge website, head to the top right and click on Get CurseForge App. And then all you need to do is scroll down and click on Download Standalone, like so. Now the download will go and begin, and you can come out of your browser, and you now need to come to the bottom and open up your file explorer. Come into your downloads and go and find the installer. And then what you can do is go and double click on it, like so. Now over to the left, you can choose the language. I'm going to keep it as English and then press next. You can then see the installation folder here, and you need to accept the terms of use and privacy policy and confirm you're at least 18 years old. I already have done this before and read them, so I accept them and I'll press next. You need to accept this here, and then you can click on accept and install, and the process will begin. So it's also going to do a bit more of a download, as you can see here, so you can just sit back and wait. Now, if you come over to the left, you can go and select Minecraft. As you can see, I've got Power World here as well, as I also have that installed. So it's going to go and detect the games which you can use CurseForge with. If you can't see Minecraft, go over to the left and click on add a game and click on scan computer for game, or you can manually go and add it. As I said before, you do need to have Minecraft installed for this to go and work and have an account. So come over to the left and select Minecraft, and then all you need to do is you can click on browse, and you're going to see all of these different mod packs. There are so many to go and choose from, but of course we want DawnCraft. So I've actually found it just by scrolling down, but you can always use the search at the top. So you can go and click on it, and you can then scroll down and see some information about it and see the different parts. But if you just want to go and get playing, you can go to the right and click on install. Now it's going to go and start the process. This may take a bit of time as it's got to download everything and all of the mods. So you can just go and wait, and you can go and see the progress here. As you can see, it's now started installing the mods, and you can see what mod is currently installing here. After it's finished downloading, you'll go and see the option to go and play it, and if you go and click on My Mod Packs at the top, it'll then be added here. As you can see, here it is, and you can hover over it and click on play, or click on it and click on play over to the right. Now it may have to go and do a little install, but it should go and launch, as you can see. And then if we go to the left of the play button, you can go and make sure DawnCraft is selected. It should automatically be. And you can then go and click on play. You need to understand the risks as you're playing a modded version of Minecraft, and we can then go and get started. And here we are in DawnCraft, and now let's go and get into a world just to go and show you what it looks like. I'll set the game mode to survival and then click on create new world, and I'll show you what it looks like once it loads. When the game loads, you can then go and choose these different characters here, and you can go and see some information about it. And when you see one you want to use, you can then go and click on confirm, like so. And now we can go and get playing. So as you can see, I've got a map here. And if I open the map by pressing M, we can go and see where I need to go. So I need to go to this village here. So what I can do is go and start going there. It's super cool. But that's it. If you guys found this useful and you want to see more guides just like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. And if you want to go and start playing with your friends, then make sure you go and check out Apex Hosting, as it's super easy to go and install mod packs.